Hello and welcome to 6-Minute Health Bites, where we crunch complex health concepts into easy-to-digest bites. In this video, we're discussing recent developments around the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Eisai and Biogen's drug, known as Leqembi, just received a standard approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. This is a remarkable step forward in the fight against Alzheimer's, a devastating illness that's remained resistant to treatment efforts for years. With Leqembi obtaining standard approval, this paves the way for greater insurance coverage. Leqembi works by eliminating a harmful protein called amyloid beta from the brain. While it's not a cure, it significantly contributes to slowing down the disease. The treatment data reveals a promising reduction of the disease's progression by 27% for patients in the early stages of Alzheimer's. This means potentially improving patients' quality of life and cognitive function for a longer period. The FDA had granted the drug accelerated approval in January. However, coverage for the drug was restricted primarily to clinical trial participants. Standard approval means easier access to more people. At a staggering cost of $26,500 annually, most people will need insurance coverage for Leqembi. Medicare, which covers most Alzheimer's patients in the U.S., will now offer coverage for the drug. But there's a catch. Medicare patients must meet the following criteria: having been diagnosed with either mild cognitive impairment or mild Alzheimer's disease, and having a physician who is part of a data collection framework set up by the federal government to keep track of the treatment's advantages and potential risks. Leqembi is administered twice monthly through intravenous infusion, but the treatment process doesn't come without risks. The drug's label suggests a careful monitoring of patients for potential brain swelling and bleeding. Furthermore, the use of certain blood thinners with Leqembi could lead to brain hemorrhage risks. But with more than 6 million Americans suffering from Alzheimer's, the need for effective treatments is critical. Eisai expects about 100,000 U.S. patients to use amyloid-lowering drugs like Leqembi within the first 3 years of market release. Outside of the U.S., applications for Leqembi's approval have been made in Japan, the EU, China, Canada, Great Britain, and South Korea. Now that we've dived into the FDA's latest approval, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the potential benefits of Leqembi outweigh the risks? And how do you think this development could impact the future of Alzheimer's treatment? Let us know in the comments section. Check out our other videos on 6-Minute Health Bites, your go-to spot for health knowledge, one bite at a time.